Hello everyone, welcome to this week's check-in. Just wanted to do a quick update on a couple of new things in the course that we've added to create some ease for you, since this is an asynchronous course, and more information on that coming as well. Just as a reminder, be sure to do your review questions that are due weekly. So speaking of course, chapter 2 is due this week. Many of you have already accomplished this. If you're having trouble with the review questions, let me know. I do have the ability to open it a second time for a retry, and if you reach out to me and want to do that, I'm happy to do so. Another thing, be sure to take a look at APA Writing Week 4. I opened that early, actually last week, so you can get started on your project, and there's a lot of information in there based on what assignment, the big assignment that we have due for this year or this semester. Another thing that was added, which is really great, is a community forum. So this is a discussion board that you can use to ask questions of either me or other students. So if you had a question about the syllabus, or if you had a question about this week's module, you can log in here and ask, and anyone can answer. So another student could look at your question and say, I encountered something similar. Let me go in and answer this for this other student. I'll also be looking at this regularly, so I'll be able to log in and answer questions as well. But this is an optional forum that you're able to use. It's like a community playground where you can log in and ask whatever you need to ask. Or if you're struggling with something, you can share something in relation to some ideas that you had, or maybe a website that you found that was great for information. Going back to this next module, so Chapter 3, Legal System. We're going to talk about statute of limitations, a lot of interesting things, a lot of good topics, and then be sure to make sure you're watching the entire video. So that's another thing. Further, we have a lot of new information coming up. So when we look at the week 4 review, make sure that you're going through that. Another thing that I posted in our week 4 review, or APA review, is another discussion board. This is another optional discussion board that you can participate in to give tips and tricks on how to find specific information related to research. But I would like to say people are doing really good so far. If you have any questions, please let me know, but I'm very pleased with the amount of feedback that I've gotten via email. Another quick update, we will have a synchronous check-in which we'll do once a week, and I have not identified the date or time of that quite yet, but more information to come, so keep an eye on the announcement page in order to receive information based on when that will be. But I think overall people are doing a great job. I appreciate the hard work, and look forward to talking with everyone more in the future. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for everything.